How to replace the imaging drum in the HP Color Laser 150 MFP 170 printer series. Turn off the printer and then disconnect the power cord. Open the toner cartridge access door. Remove the toner cartridges from the printer using the two tabs on each cartridge. To prevent toner transfer, avoid touching the drum on each cartridge. Where indicated, pull the toner collection unit out of the printer and then set it on a flat surface. When handling the imaging drum, avoid touching the surface of the drum. Pull the handle to remove the imaging drum from the printer and then set it aside. Remove the replacement imaging drum from its package and hold it by the handle. Slide the drum into the printer until it clicks into place. Slide the toner collection unit back into its slot in the printer. Reinstall the toner cartridges into their slots until they click into place. Close the cartridge access door. Reconnect the power cord to the printer and the printer turns on automatically. If the printer does not, turn on the printer and then continue printing.